Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we explore the future of mobility, minimalism, and off-grid living. And today, we've got something that hits all three: the 2025 Tricycle Camper. This thing is part tiny house, part electric vehicle, and 100% designed for freedom. Whether you're into bikepacking, van life, or just looking for a way to get off the grid without burning fuel, you're going to want to stick around for this. So, what exactly is the Tricycle Camper? At its core, it's a pedal-powered electric trike with an integrated micro-camper built right onto the back. But don't let the word tricycle fool you. It's not some flimsy toy. This is a serious piece of engineering. The frame is made from aircraft-grade aluminum, giving it the perfect balance of strength and lightweight performance. The entire rig comes in at just under 200 kilos, which means it's light enough to move easily, but still heavy enough to feel stable, especially when you're fully loaded with gear. Now let's talk about power. The camper is equipped with a rear hub electric motor that provides pedal assistance up to 21 km or 32 km. Depending on the model, you get between 25 to 40 miles of range per charge, with some premium versions offering swappable batteries for longer trips. The charging system is solar first. A rooftop panel feeds into a 600 1,000 watt battery bank, depending on your configuration. That means you're not just riding sustainably, you're living sustainably too. One of the standout features of the 2025 Tricycle Camper is its modular design. The company behind it really thought about how people live in tiny spaces. You get customizable interior modules for sleeping, cooking, working, and relaxing. The bed folds out into a near full-size mattress and cleverly hides storage underneath. There's a detachable table for eating or working, and you even get a built-in swivel seat that locks into position while riding. When it comes to storage, this camper punches way above its weight. There are weatherproof external compartments for tools, water, and shoes, plus internal shelving and hanging nets for clothes, kitchen supplies, and electronics. Everything has its place, and everything is secured for transit. No rattling, no shifting, no stress. The kitchenette, though compact, is seriously impressive. You get a collapsible sink with an electric water pump, a one-burner induction stove, a countertop with a fold-out cutting board, and even a mini pull-out fridge in the deluxe model. There's a 10-liter gray water tank underneath, and the entire cooking setup is removable, so you can cook inside on a rainy day or outside when the weather's nice. Climate control isn't something you'd expect in a tiny camper, but it's here. The walls are insulated with multi-layer eco-foam, and small battery-powered fans circulate air effectively. There are also adjustable vent windows with bug screens, a skylight for natural light, and thermal curtains for cold nights. Optional upgrades include a micro heater powered by the battery system and a UV air purifier, something new in the 2025 edition. Let's talk about riding comfort. The trike features full front and rear suspension, so you're not bouncing around on gravel roads. The seat is wide and padded with lumbar support, and the handlebars adjust for different rider heights. The fat tires provide excellent traction and balance, especially when you're riding with the camper loaded. Hydraulic disc brakes come standard.